In business, we're all in it to make money, and converting website visitors into customers can be extremely difficult. Video marketing can help. Did you know that Unbound says video on landing pages boosts conversions by 80%? So video isn't just an easy way to engage your audience, also to communicate your value proposition. For instance, when you embed video on a landing page, it can quickly explain who you are, what you do, and why potential customers should choose your product or service over your competitors. In the shoes of a business owner trying to figure out how to use video for your business, you might wonder about optimizing landing pages, but the statistics don't lie. If you add video to your landing page, you can create a strategy that engages your audience, communicates your message, and drives results. So if you want to make sure your message is getting through, just add video and watch your conversions skyrocket. It's almost like magic.
The best way to market yourself with video is to create Expertgrams that position you as an expert. Learn how Expertgrams can help you grow your business, convert your website, and reach your customers by leveraging your authority in a crowded market. You can reach our expert guest by calling 518-396-5885 or clicking the link below. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you next episode.